Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Trek with Bill. Today we're going to be doing some quick maintenance on the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek Sport. We just completed the four-wheel tire rotation on it, and we have our ramps. I lifted up there, warmed up the engine, so let's go ahead and change the oil and filter. Nice. All right, folks, so we got our materials here. We have the oil filter, and this is the number for it. This is with a crush washer included, right from the dealer. You can see Sport or Subaru. This is the part numbers, and the cost for the filter and crush washer was $16. And then we went with the Mobil One 0W16 oil. So we have that. We're set. Have a funnel, and we're to get rid of the oil. I guess we can't throw it anymore down the city drain. The good thing about Subarus is the ease of maintenance. As you can see, we have a coolant, washer fluid, batteries right here, brake fluid is back there. I already went ahead and checked the air filter, the engine air filter, and the cabin air filter. This car has just under 10,000 miles, so those things have yet to be changed. This is the second oil change on the vehicle, so you can see from 2025 the oil filter, and again, to add the oil, it's right here. All right, so we went ahead and grabbed our 17 mil, and this is the engine oil pan right here. Ease of access, it's already open. This is plastic. You're gonna, make sure you go over and check your transmission. Make sure nothing's leaking under here. Everything's as good as it should be. Be careful with the exhaust there. Part of the exhaust, catalytic converter. Sure nobody has stolen it overnight. And yeah, make sure you look in here. Make sure you look around. Familiarize yourself with it. And yeah, go ahead and crack this bad boy open. All right, so after giving it some ugga-dugga, be careful, because it will be hot. Should at least be hot. All right. So, that almost overfilled. Make sure you have your little vent open. And there it goes. All gone. Just let it drain out a few minutes while you change the filter up top. So yeah, that should be it. All right, took out our oil drain bolt, inspected it, cleaned it up. Old one, new one. And ensure, as you can see, sure to place the flat side, which would be this flat side. This one is rounded, flat side down. If I can do that, and then we'll go ahead and replace it. All right, so we went ahead and put in the new bolt. Now I have no grip because my fingers are full of oil. Ain't that funny? All right, let's clean this up. Might be a little tight, shouldn't be nothing crazy. Sure, close this up. All right, so unscrew that. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that filter, nice. Put that down, let it drain down. So go ahead and grab our brand new filter. Take out the plastic on it. If I can do it with one hand, I should be able to. There we go. nice. Make sure the O-ring from the old filter, all right, wasn't stuck on there. As you can see, it's not. But double check, everything's nice. And we have some oil here, so I'll use that like this. Have some old oil, put it around. Nice and lube. Give it the old blessing. Clean up around here. Nice and clean. Make sure that is all nice and clean. Okay. It's nice and lubed up. Has some nice oil around it. Let's go ahead and screw into the bad boy right here. And tie everything all hand tight, all the way down. Not going anywhere. We should be. Now we're going to go ahead and add our oil. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. All right. So we're going to go ahead and crack this. Oh my God. Jesus. Can't even open it. Let's see. Crack open the oil, fresh oil. Let's go ahead and start adding some. So it calls for 4.7 quarts. So some more. Jeez, I cannot see here. We still got a quart left, so add a little bit more. All right. Added the oil, clean everything up, make sure nothing is leaking anywhere. Let it run for a few minutes, and then we'll add just a little bit of oil. Leaking anywhere? No, that's not oil. Alright, so we brought the car down from the Rams, let the engine run for a few minutes. Sure that some oil is kept up here, so we'll see how much we need to add to the car. As you can see, there is a much left in the bottle. Should be just about 4.7, but we will see if it calls for the whole thing. Once we take this out, let's see, is it to the max? Let's see if I can do this with two hands or one hand. I believe this calls for a two-handed job. So let's see here. All right, let's check. That one doesn't count. Clear it nice and clean. Hopefully you guys will be able to see how much oil I need to add, and it's just a bit short here, just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. Let's go ahead, send it down, bring it back up. Go ahead and confirm that it is just a tad bit low. Go ahead and add some more oil in there. All right, so let's go ahead and reset the computer here. Maintenance, and then we will do a reset. Yes. All right, there we go. Let's reset. You can see miles, just under 10,000 miles. Things all good, checked out. All right, folks, so that's a wrap on today's quick maintenance. We went ahead and washed the car as well. It was pretty dirty, like really dirty. So it's all nice and clean now. Wheels, undercarriage, in between the doors, everything clean. Tires rotated, oil change, and a fresh wash. You're good for the next 5,000 miles. See you next time.